Hi, welcome to Basic Mixer. Let's get ready to mix it up. In our last video, we were cooking outside and we were making brownies. And so we were using kind of a solar situation. I don't know if I would really call it an oven, but hopefully it will act as an oven. It was about 96 degrees or so, and it was pretty hot, and my camera actually just kind of faded out because it was angry about the heat. So this one we'll do inside, and then I think after we're done with this, we might check outside and see how our brownies are doing. So this is just a quick candy recipe that I got the recipe from healthyrecipesblogs.com. And so, oh, actually I forgot the honey. So I doubled the recipe, so we're gonna use a half a cup of coconut oil, a half a cup of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of honey, and we're going to use just like some pecans and maybe a little chia seed there to make it a little bit more healthy. So first we're going to spray our recycled egg tray there with a little oil. And I forgot so let's put in our cocoa powder. Coconut oil. Mix that up a little bit. Almost made it really bitter by forgetting the honey, but can't do that. So we need 4 tablespoons of honey. And I suppose a little extra wouldn't hurt. You don't want too much honey. But the honey doesn't be too buttery. I'm just going to put a little bit extra just for the fun of it. Okay. So we're going to mix that until it's really well mixed. We're going to sprinkle in any add-ins that we have, like using pecans and chia today. I'm sure coconut would be pretty delicious, or whatever else you like. Maybe some raisins would be good. Dried cranberries would probably be fantastic. And this chia is actually ground chia, but you could probably use whole chia seeds would probably be just as good. Just using what's on hand here. Of our sections here. Trying to do our part to be earth friendly by using recycled containers, and not to mention it also saves money. I just washed it really well, and sprayed it with your spray oil. It's going to work just fine. Kind of cool shape, hopefully. so then this just needs to go into the freezer. I think it's set for 20 minutes. And if I remember, I will put the link to the recipe in the description. Now I'm going to put this in. And while that firms up, hopefully. So now let's go and check on our solar brownies. Okay, while we're waiting for that, I probably should open the door first. Oops. That was still working. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. Here's our solar brownie. Still working on the professionalism of the video. Sorry, I apologize. So I had a little bit left in the bowl, which I put in this container to see if it would bake without even using the solar oven, and it is baking very slowly, I can tell. So this is our solar contraption here, and I should have brought my oven mitt. Oh, and it is baking quite nicely after about 30 minutes. I don't think it's quite done yet, but it's looking pretty good. Alright, so this is our solar contraption. The camera kind of cut out last time while we were doing that. I guess I'll go ahead and poke that. Yeah, that still feels really soft, but I can tell that it is actually baking out here in the hot, hot desert. And maybe I should have brought a knife or something to test this, but let me go ahead and, yeah, it feels pretty soft, but let's pick it up and take a look. It's looking pretty good. Ouch. So we'll check back on that in another video. And please remember to like and subscribe. I wonder, it might be too early to check on our candy or what. So, you know what? Let's go check on it anyway. You know, it's only been a few minutes. It's probably not completely frozen, but since I don't have a pause button here, I'm going to have to put it in the next video, so I want it at least. Well, it's not hard at all. It's not hard at all yet, because I was expecting immediate results, and I was supposed to wait like 20 minutes. So it's not ready yet. So please watch the next video so you can see how both the updates on the candy and the brownies. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time, and hopefully we'll have more fun and exciting things coming up. Thanks so much for mixing it up with us today. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave those in the comments, or any questions, leave those in the comments. I always like to do experiments with cooking and gardening and, well, even diet and exercise, but feel free to leave any comments and suggestions, and we will see you soon. Thank you so much.